Now here we are told to determine the wavelength from this stationary wave. Now it implies here from here to here is the distance. Now let us take note that from this point to this point is what we call the node to node, and from this point to this maximum displacement is called the node to antinode. Now, and the node to node is equals to lambda all over 2, which is the wavelength. Node to antinode is given as the wavelength all over 4. Now let us now determine how many node to node do we have. So from here to here is one node, from here to here is another node, so continuously like that. So we have 7 node to node. So here you have 7 node to node. Now take note that 7 node to node now equals 21, and we are told that node to node equals to lambda all over 2. So we can say here that 7 into lambda all over 2 equals 21. So to this point here now, let us divide both sides by 7. This eliminates here. 7 here 1, 7 here 3. We are left with lambda all over 2 equals what? 3. So at this point we can say that our wavelength equals to 2 times 3, which will give us what? 6 meters. Thank you and God bless you.